Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Lucidchart. If you're working on a complex diagram or flowchart that needs multiple sections, adding pages helps you organize your content better without cluttering a single canvas. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to lucidchart.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Lucidchart workspace. This will bring you to your dashboard where all your documents are stored. Now that you're logged in, look for the Recent Documents section. This is where Lucidchart displays all the diagrams and charts you've been working on recently, making it easy to jump back into your projects. Browse through your recent documents and locate the specific document where you want to add a new page. Once you've found it, click on it to select it, then click the Open button. This will load your document into the editor where you can make changes. With your document now open in the editor, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where Lucidchart displays all the pages within your current document. You'll see a plus icon here, which is labeled Add Page. This is the key feature for expanding your document with additional pages. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to create a new page. After clicking the plus icon, take a moment to confirm that the new page has been successfully added. You should now see it appear in the page list at the bottom left of your screen. It will typically be labeled as page 2 or the next sequential number if you already have multiple pages. This visual confirmation ensures that your new page is ready for you to start adding content, diagrams, or any other elements you need. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your Lucidchart document, giving you more space to organize and develop your ideas. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.